of students are appearing for the HSLC examination 2020 today. Security were tightened at 141 centers across the state for the exam. Destruction of poppy plantation in Technopole district continues. A team of Technopole district police and narcotics affairs and border destroyed around 22 acres of poppy plantation yesterday at Samukom Hill Range under Machi police station. National People's Party NPP National Vice President Preston Tinsong has said all is well in the MDA government of Meghalaya. Tinsong made this remark in reply to a question on discontentment over the issue of illegal transportation of coal and the alleged failure of the then Home Minister James Sangma to deal with this problem, sources said. Acting on a tip-off, the Hosai police have seized 1,200 numbers of nitrosan 10 tablets and 28,470 numbers of Samplex Plus capsules from the possession of the two drug peddlers. According to media reports, the police also arrested two drug peddlers from Jugijan area under the Hojai district. Assam government recently approved a draft policy for the welfare of the state's transgender community. As per the new draft policy, Assam will have its own transgender welfare board which will take initiatives for the uplift of transgender community in the state. China is experimenting with its century-old traditional medicine on patients affected by the coronavirus, according to media reports. Health officials said that treatment in Wuhan hospitals combine traditional Chinese medicine, popularly known as TCM, and Western medicines. No drugs or preventives have yet been approved against the virus, which has already claimed the lives of 1,665 people and affected almost 70,000.